SUNCLIX from Phoenix Contact, the tool-free connection system for photovoltaic systems. The SUNCLIX connection system allows you to connect your PV modules with the inverter consistently and without the use of tools. SUNCLIX plug-in connectors are molded or for field assembly. Insert the stripped cable into the plug, press together, finished. Use cable with cross-sections up to 16 mm squared for more efficient power transmission. Releasing the SUNCLIX plug-in connector takes place quickly and easily with the help of a screwdriver. SUNCLIX from Phoenix Contact, the tool-free connection system for photovoltaic systems.